Hello traders, you are welcome to my video on the Pip Counter Indicator for MT4. Okay, this is an indicator that can help traders to track their live Pip movement in real time, making trade management easier and more effective. So if you are a scalper, day trader, or swing trader, you need this indicator in your setup. Let us break it down. I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right now. The Pip Counter Indicator. Okay, so this is the Pip Counter Indicator. It is designed to give traders instant Pip updates on their open trades. All right, so for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to open a trade in this demo account. All right, so that we can see the additional information. Okay, so you can see that there was an additional information given right here. All right, for the live trade, for the open trade. Okay, so it shows you the instant Pip updates on your open trades. Instead of manually calculating Pip movements, this indicator automates the process and displays it directly on your MT4 chart. So now this tool is especially useful for scalpers who need real-time Pip tracking to make quick decisions. Also, it is effective for day traders who manage multiple trades and need fast updates. Additionally, this indicator is useful for swing traders who monitor long-term Pip movement without checking manually. All right. So now, how does the Pip Counter Indicator work? Once you apply this indicator to your chart, the indicator automatically calculates the number of pips gained or lost in a trade. It updates in real time, as you can see. You can see that for yourself, right? The values are updated in real time, showing the live Pip movement. And this indicator works across multiple time frames, okay, allowing traders to track both short-term and long-term trades. So with this indicator, you get a clear visual display of Pip movement. You also get the ability to track multiple trades simultaneously, all right? And you get a tool that helps with better trade management and decision making, all right? Now, you might be wondering why you need the Pip Counter Indicator. There are several reasons why the Pip Counter Indicator is an essential tool for traders. Okay, first of all, because of the real-time Pip tracking, this indicator presents value because there is no need for manual calculations. Manual calculation of pips can actually eat into the time that you're supposed to use to execute your trade, especially if you are a scalper, when you are trying to make very fast decisions and all of that. So manually calculating pips, well, it's not like calculating pips is stressful in itself, but it's just for the sake of time management, right? So it saves you the time of doing that manually. Okay, and then the indicator works on any time frame. So it does not matter your trading style. It does not matter your trading style. This indicator presents value. It is perfect for all trading styles. All right. And it improves trade management. Okay. You know exactly when to adjust your trade or exit the market. Right. So, in addition to that, the indicator is also it also presents a simple and clean interface. No unnecessary clutter on your chart. There's no unnecessary clutter on your chart. The interface is simple and clean. Okay. Meanwhile, you can also modify the settings, right, according to your taste. You can modify the settings according to your taste. If you want to modify the settings, you can go to the parameters, the inputs, and you can actually modify the settings. So you can see that the indicator also shows the spread. It shows the high and the low, and it shows the candle time and the real-time pip. So in addition to the pip information, you can see that it has other informations that the indicator displays. Okay, so if you are ready to add this indicator to your trading setup, we have already discussed how to install a custom indicator on MT4 in a previous video, so you might want to check that video out. Okay, meanwhile, just a quick recap: you can download the indicator from a third-party site, okay, a reputable third-party source. You can try out Indicator Spot. That's one of the indicator site that I usually use. So once you're done downloading the indicator, you have to go to your indicators library and save it to your MT4 indicators folder. All right, you have to copy the file and paste it in your MT4 indicators folder. Okay, so once you have done that, you will have to restart your MT4 terminal. You have to restart it, then you attach the indicator to your trading chart. Once you have restarted it, you should see the indicator appear under your indicators in your navigator. You can see the indicator is going to appear. Let's just look for it right now. The pip, you can see the pip counter indicator, right? Or you can go through inserts, inserts and indicators and all of that, and then add indicator to your chart. So whichever one you prefer. All right, you can customize the settings afterward, to fit your trading style. Okay, and just like that, you have a real-time pip counter running on your MT4 chart. So the pip counter indicator for MT4 is an effective tool that helps traders track their pip movements in real time, making trade management much easier. Okay, so if you're serious about Forex trading, this indicator is a must-have in your arsenal. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more powerful trading content. Thank you for watching and happy trading.